Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is my first video. My name is Fatma. We are a yacht company that has been creating unforgettable experiences since 2000, and today I would like to invite you to spend the day with us on our yacht, Bernice. If you are curious about beautiful bays, then this video is for you. We are in Göcek today, and our boat Bernice has 3 cabins and can host up 6 guests. It's a very comfortable and very beautiful yacht for an overnight tour. We are enjoying a beautiful sunset and my daughter is happily eating some chips. My daughter and I are enjoying the stars while our chief is preparing a delicious dinner for us. Sky is beautiful. The meals look amazing, truly delicious. I hope you all can experience it one day.
Koydum böyle. Kaplumbağaya benzedi bu. Bak şimdi bak.
And our chief is trying to make some fun shapes for my daughter, and everything was delicious from start to finish. After that, it is evening cinema time. Of course, first my daughter is watching cartoon a bit. We will try to put her to sleep, and after that we plan to watch a movie with my husband. Evening view is so beautiful, really nice.
Of how the world was saved.
It's time for movie, and our chief prepared a nice fruit platter for us as well. It's truly an enjoyable evening. The open air cinema is really delightful, and it's the next morning. Waking up here was amazing. Kids having fun while breakfast is on the way. Our breakfast table looks amazing this morning.
Çabuk aşağıya polisler gelecek.
Bunu teke düşüreyim mi bir tanesinde? Yoksa çıktı kalsın.
We are getting the stand-up paddle ready here. They are working on it.
Boyun kaçtı senin?
Benim 1.64 falan.
The stand-up paddle adventure begins for my daughter and my husband. They are ready to go. And they are going. Yay, they are going. I really love them so much. The vibe is so calm and so peaceful right now at this hour. And here is my baby boy is playing with his toy. He's so handsome. And they came back 1 hour later.
Ne ısmarlarsınız?
An ice cream boat stopped by our yacht.
Ela gel.
We've picked our favorite ice creams. My daughter is feeling very cold here. She wants to get her towel.
Zor bir karar.
Bir tane magnum geldi.
Evet.
Magnum neyle?
Neli istersin Yasin abi?
There were also homemade dessert options available. My daughter chose strawberry ice cream as she always does.
Güzel mi? Evet, ben de bir tane aldım.
Dondurmacı fıstıkıya tamam mı dedi?
Evet.
Ben de seninkinin tadına bakayım.
Bak.
That's me on the paddleboard. Our captain caught fresh fish for us during the trip. My baby absolutely loved the fish.
Nasıl güzel bir balık.
Al yerine. Baba havuzda kalmış onun. Kayaların havuzunda.
Gerçekten mi?
The little handsome one is here. Just having a little rest. And lunch is ready for us. Looks delicious.
Yazdı bana. Gelmek istiyor, kaça olur falan.
He's enjoying the fresh air here. And after lunch, it's time to swim and use the water toys.
Şifa bir bokulaması anlatmışlar.
Water temperature is perfect.
Komple bir bok.
She got really tired after playing in the sea and is now enjoying her popcorn.
Sen bizim teknemizdi değil mi?
Tabii.
Ama bir ayda şöyle yap.
The sound of nature is really beautiful.
Atla.
Bize su sıkıyor. Lütfen mutluysun sen. Bak, eğitimde
Güzel mi?
Our Göcek adventure comes to an end as we head back home. If you'd like to experience these beautiful waters on a private yacht, get in touch and let us create your perfect day at sea. Thank you for watching. Bye.